In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dataset in Google BigQuery. This process is straightforward and can be completed in about 5 minutes, making it a highly efficient way to manage your data needs. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll want to type Google BigQuery into your search bar. Press Enter and look for the official Google Cloud Platform link to access BigQuery. Click on this link and navigate to the BigQuery page. As you arrive on the BigQuery page, you'll notice the layout is designed to efficiently guide you through data management, which is one of BigQuery's key strengths. Now focus your attention on the Explorer pane located on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you organize and view your various Google Cloud projects. Here, you'll need to select the Google Cloud project where you want to create your new dataset. Once you've selected your desired project, move your cursor to the View Actions icon, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. This menu gives you different options you can apply to your project. Click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Create Dataset. Select this option to move forward. This brings us to the section where you provide the details for your new dataset. You'll need to fill in various fields, beginning with the project ID and dataset ID, which serve as unique identifiers for your dataset. The location type is another vital field, determining where your data will be stored geographically. You may see options like multi-region or specific continents and countries. Additionally, BigQuery provides other optional settings to fine-tune your dataset according to your needs, such as setting a default table expiration date or defining the access permissions right off the bat. Take your time to configure these settings to best suit your project's requirements. Once you've entered all the necessary details and adjusted the additional settings if needed, you're ready for the final step. Go ahead and click the Create Dataset button to finalize the creation process. With that, your new dataset is now ready for use in Google BigQuery. You've now successfully completed the setup, opening up numerous possibilities for data analysis and queries. Remember, if you ever need to adjust the settings of your dataset, you can always do so from the BigQuery interface. Creating effective datasets is a powerful skill, whether you're managing small projects or vast databases, and Google BigQuery provides the tools you need to do this efficiently. We hope you found this guide helpful. And don't forget to explore further capabilities within Google BigQuery as you continue to develop your data management skills. Thank you for watching, and happy data querying.